Good afternoon, I'm Mike Famlott. Welcome to In the Shadow of Big Red Eye, and welcome to Central Ohio. We're in the Malabar Farm State Park, where there's a lot of history of this old farm that's here, but we're here looking for Bigfoot. We're going to take one of these hiking trails down and see if we can find any signs of Bigfoot here. So we're just doing a day hike, but it'll be a good day. So this is Alissa and me, and we are heading down. Say hi.
Hi.
We are heading down a path here in Malabar Farm State Park, and looks like a big storm moved here through here at some point.
Holy cow.
Wow. Man, I like that shirt. That's a nice shirt. Whoever made that shirt is really talented. Wow. I bet you there's some good fish in here.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. You hear that?
Ow.
That was an owl?
That was an owl. At least I think. But it's hard to tell. What's your thing? I can never tell.
Oh, the skunk cabbage.
Ah. That makes a good feast.
Can you eat it?
I have no clue. I'm saying for a Bigfoot.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
I hope you eat anything.
Yeah. I think they are edible.
I know. I'm
Pretty obvious game trail goes right through there.
really weird feeling back here.
You got a weird feeling?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. That's a good thing. I like that.
Right there. Like something watching us. I don't know.
You said you feel like something's watching us?
Uh-huh. Especially over there. I've been out alone. Like, you know that feeling you get when you're being watched?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You have that?
Oh, yeah. I have an it's not an uneasy feeling, but it's just,
Kind of unsettling?
yeah.
You want to do a call?
Yeah, someone keep walking.
Okay.
Sorry, above us.
Oh, there he goes. He just flew.
Learn that nobody's in back here.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool looking back there.
Yeah. Wetland something.
What was that? What was that?
I don't know. Some sort of bird?
I don't think so. That doesn't sound like a bird. Bobcat? I don't think so. I don't know. That was weird.
That was a weird sound.
Look at the tree right here.
Oh, yeah. That's a weird thing, too. Bent up and over.
Yeah. And that's place right there. Weird.
That is a strange thing. I'm gonna take a picture of it.
Because that's not natural. At all. But obviously there's no cat sound.
So we're looking up, currently looking up bobcat sounds to try to determine if that was a bobcat or not, and we kind of ruled that out right off the bat.
I don't know if there's mountain lions out here. I don't think there's mountain lions either.
Well, they say that there's not mountain lions out here, but
I have a hard time
Yeah. I don't know about.
I don't think that was a cat.
No, I don't. I agree with you.
That was, oh,
I thought it was a bird right initially.
I don't know.
Some weird kind of bird. Some like prehistoric bird. Like a pterodactyl.
They don't say it wasn't a coyote, because that was not a coyote sound. I think coyotes are mostly nocturnal.
Yeah, and they're yippy. They're not.
Yeah, because they sound like a dog. You know?
No.
They're not a dog.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
Uneasy.
Uneasy? Whoa.
Oh, thank goodness. I think I can find this. There's another game trail.
Big time. That's a big game trail.
Sound big's been going that way.
Yeah.
Harvest a lot of deer.
Or a lot of animals, yeah.
There must be fairies up here or something. Here. Oh! I'm not worried about it.
You're not worried about it.
It's a gardener.
It's a what?
A gardener snake.
Are you sure?
Yeah. We have no venomous snakes in Ohio.
You don't have any venomous snakes in Ohio? Really? Are you sure? Huh.
It's a gardener.
Hi, buddy. Ooh. It's nice to see you. He didn't blend in that good. So I totally saw him.
Very good point.
Wow, good on you for not freaking out. I bring people out that would have had a heart attack right there.
I got a pet snake.
I know, yeah, that's what I realized as soon as I said snake. I'm like, oh, she's good.
Weeks ago, coyote.
That looks like a domestic dog.
I don't know if that's a dog or not. I think it might be a cat, because look, there's no toenails. Because dog prints usually leave toenails, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
I don't see no toenails. So I think it's a cat.
Hmm.
I think it's a cat, because
I try to remember. There's negative. With a cat or with a dog. There's an X, and this looks like there's an X there.
I don't know. Cause I'm pretty sure they leave toenail prints, like dogs. So
yeah.
there's a cat out here somewhere. Probably a bobcat. He was just out here though, cause that looks really fresh.
Yeah, that had to be this morning.
Nothing.
Well, that was a fun little hike.
Some of bobcat prints and snake.
Yeah, snake and a bobcat and something we can't identify.
I don't know. Oh.
Hi. Hey. Hi. Hi, Mama.